Oops, 15 minutes and my friends are arriving any moment. You know what? We're going to watch our favorite movie. And trust me guys, I don't like those oily snacks that are available in the theatre. So I have decided to make this very quick fit snack, which is why I have selected the garlic and the cheese pita. So guys, let's wasting any more time. We'll get into the cooking. I'll put a kadhai to heat. I'm going to use some rice powder. You can use around say 4 tablespoons. Pinch of soda bicarb. This much should be enough. I'm going to grate some garlic now. This is a very nice flavor, garlic. Yes. Now use some Gouda cheese. You can use any cheese that you wish to or that's there in your refrigerator. Yes, I'm sure my friends are going to like it. Add water very slowly. Let's see how the consistency has become now. This is the perfect consistency. We'll add some oil. Yes, our oil is properly hot now. You can see the bubbles. So I'm going to add put this small round balls. It's nice brown, looking very crunchy. I'm going to take them out now. Yes, this is my last batch of the garlic and the cheese pita. The kitchen is smelling of heavenly cheese. Oops, I don't have much time. Let me go and set my table. I'm going to plate them up now. Oh, there's the second one. They're looking lovely, delicious, gorgeous, and yummy. Oh, I could hear my bell ringing. Let me see. My friends must have come. Bye-bye.